Poland continues to build trust with the U.S. as well as increasing the quality of military-industrial jobs offered in the country. Over the next 5 years, the Polish military industry will repair and service United States Air Force F-16 fighter jets in Europe. This was a resounding success for the Polish military industry. Polish Military Aviation Factory No. 2 in Bydgoszcz, owned by Polska Grupa Zbrojeniowa, WZL No. 2, is an American fighter jet repair shop. The agreement between the Polish company and the American company AAR Government Services Inc. was signed in July this year, and the first combat aircraft for service and repair has been received in the factory's production workshops. WZL No. 2 will do all kinds of repairs. This also includes repairs to the avionics, landing gear and paint and camouflage areas, explained Mr. Szymon Dankowski, board member and director of product development and quality at WZL No. 2. At present, there is no information on how many F-16s will be repaired at Polish factories. This is a trade secret, the Polish company said. But the agreement between the two companies guarantees an increase in the number of aircraft repaired each year. The American company is one of the leaders in the U.S. for fighter aircraft repair. It concludes similar contracts with local manufacturers around the world. The Polish community commented that the opportunity they got for F-16 repair work opened the door wide for gaining access to new knowledge and technology. The first F-16 fighter has arrived at WZL No. 2. Their acceptance was formally finalized by the Prime Minister, Mr. Mateusz Morawiecki, and U.S. Ambassador to Poland, Mr. Mark Brzezinski. Mr. Morawiecki recalled that Poland had to ensure its security by creating a strong Polish army and investing in the agreements between the companies. Poland has drastically increased its defense budget. As well as operating the USAF F-16s, Warsaw has agreed with Washington to acquire 5th-generation F-35 Lightning II fighter jets. Poland has been investing heavily in its defense. The USD billion remains the most significant so far, which Warsaw will provide for the acquisition of 1,000 K2 Black Panther tanks and hundreds of K2 Thunder self-propelled howitzers from South Korea. Last but not least, Warsaw is upgrading its fleet with 48 T-50 Golden Eagle light attack fighters, also from South Korea.